Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Zoonomaly Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Zoonomaly Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and I'll give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way to open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to draw the Zookeeper. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up. And then I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down at an angle. And one here, it's going to come down at an angle. And then I'm just going to make this line come all the way across. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then right up to here. Next, I'm going to make some lines that come down. We're going to keep these kind of close together. And they can be kind of like at different angles and stuff too. So it's totally up to you how you guys want to do this. We're just going to make these lines kind of coming up and down right across here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a black dot here and then a black dot right here to start the nose. And then I'm going to curve a line up, and I'm going to curve a line up. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a diagonal line and a diagonal line. And then I'm going to curve this line around for an eye. And I'm going to curve this line around for an eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up on each side. And then I'm just going to connect them with a curved line because we'll be drawing the hat up there. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and down. Same thing here, we're going to go out and then down. And then I'm going to curve this line right across here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve right across the top of the head like this to start the hat. And then I'm going to bring it in, and then I want to bring this line in. We'll make a line that comes up. We'll follow that curve and come down. Then I'm going to curve this line up to the top, and I'll curve this line up to the top. And then I'll just make a little curve here and a little curve here, kind of like a J and a backwards J. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come across and up. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. And then a line that comes out and then down. I'm going to curve a line here and curve a line here. Then I'm going to draw a line here and a line right here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then same thing here, we're just going to go down and then up at an angle. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Zookeeper character. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. Then I want to bring this line up, and I want to bring this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and this one down, and this one up, and this one up. Next, I'm going to add the teeth. So I'm just going to add some different size teeth in here. And I'm just going to kind of make these go down and kind of round them off a little bit, keeping them kind of skinny, like that. And we'll do the same thing up here, just kind of go up and down with different size teeth. I like to kind of round some of them off here, just like this. Now, inside of here, we want to draw a couple of the different animals. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw the elephant. So I'm going to begin with a circle for an eye, and then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. I'll draw a circle right inside of here, and then one right inside of here. Then I'm going to make two little dots for the nose. Then I'm going to make a big smile right here. And a line's going to go down and then up here. Then I'm going to make a bunch of kind of like rounded pointy teeth here, and then a bunch of rounded kind of pointy teeth at the bottom. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and come back down. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then back up here. I'm going to make two lines for the eyebrows. Then for the ear, I'm going to curve a line up on each side. Then I'm going to curve this down and out. And then I'm just going to curve this back. Just kind of curve it back. Then I'll make a little line right here. Next, up here, I'm going to draw the monster bear. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to make a little round line here, and I'm going to put two dots in there. I'm going to make a big smiley face. I'm going to make another big smiley face here. Then I'm going to fill it up with a bunch of these kind of really skinny teeth on the top and on the bottom. I'm going to curve this line down here and curve this line down here. I'm going to curve a line around. I'm going to make a bump here and a bump here for the ears. I'm going to put another curve inside each one. Now, over here, I'm going to draw Smile Cat. So I'm going to begin by making two circles for the eyes, or maybe even more of like an oval shape for each one. I want to make a little line like this for the nose with two black dots on the end. I'm going to make a curve here for a smile. And then a curve here. We're going to curve this around. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up on each side for the head. We'll make a line that goes up to a point and down on each side for the ears. And then we'll come up and down again on each one and then connect it. Now over here, I'm going to draw the monster bunny. So I'm going to begin by making two circles for the eyes. Then I'm going to make a nice big smile. And then two lines that come down here. I'll make a bunch of like rounded teeth on the top and the bottom. Real skinny. Then I'm going to curve a line that's going to come out and in, out and in. And then we'll make a little line across for the head. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and down for the ear. And same thing here, up to a point and then down. Curve this line up and down, and this one up and down. Now, the next step that I want to do is I'm going to draw these lines all the way down. So I'm going to connect these lines to here. And I'll just bring this one up. I'm going to connect this one down, and I'll bring this one up to here. And same thing here, this one down, and then bring that one up. Now what I want to do is I want to add 2 more characters, one on each side. So right here, I'm going to draw the monster monkey. So I'm going to make an oval for an eye and an oval for an eye. I'm going to put a black dot here and here with a line on each side. I want to make a nice big smile. And we'll put those skinny teeth in here. Next, I'm going to curve this around to here. And then I'm going to curve this one around. We'll make a curve here for the ear and then a curve here. Then over here, I'm going to draw the monster frog. So I'm going to make 2 ovals for the eyes. I'm going to make a line that comes across for a mouth. And then I'm going to make kind of like a wavy line. I'll draw a line that's going to curve here, and a line that's going to curve here, and then a little bump here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Zoonomaly Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have that creepy looking Zookeeper, and then when we open it, we got a bunch of the creepy looking animals inside. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.